Building for renting, what to keep in mind and why to build for renting. First, there is a big difference building for yourself and building for rental, and the difference is in focus. When you are building it just for your own use, you focus on your family needs and wants. If you are building for renting, you have to focus on the break-even point and profit. We get a lot of inquiries from people who are in ages of 55, 60 and who are concerned about their future because pension funds are not doing too well, so they think of investing into a rental home. So when they are old and they can't work anymore, some young family will work and give some of their income for a rental for them. Now, one reason why people invest into real estate and rental properties is, times are rough, and if you invest in a stock market or if you just keep the money in the bank, your amount of money because of the devaluation or inflation or the stocks can shrink. But if you build a house, it will be exactly the same size even in 10 years. A-frame homes can be a really good way of investment, especially in rural areas. What to keep in mind if you are planning to build a home for rental? It's very, very important to do your homework on that break-even and profitability. Let's say first you should start with planning the income, the net income from your rental property. You should think whether you are going for a short-term rent like Airbnb, services like that, so you rent it out for a few days. It usually means higher income, but also more work for cleaning and maintaining the home before the next guest comes. You should really think about more durable materials, because if people rent it for just a couple nights, they don't care about your property so much. They may leave their shoes on and wear off the flooring. If you do more like long-term rental, people are living there for a year or two, they will treat it as their home. But yeah, the income part is the most important. For break-even, it's a very simple formula actually. You take the net income, so your income after the costs or taxes. Let's say it's at 10,000 per year, and if you have invested 100,000, it means you get your money back. You reach the break-even point in 10 years. Then you start actually earning money, earning profit. Do your research. How much can you earn from your rental property? If you spend too much, let's say you spend 250,000 and you only get 10,000 per year back, it takes 25 years to get your money back. In 25 years, you probably have to renovate the building, meaning that you spend another, I don't know, 50,000, so you will wait 5 years again to get the renovation money back. So it's altogether 30 years. You'll just get tired or dead or even worse, married or something. So we get inquiries sometimes for a certain model, and I had a customer who inquired for our Model 30100. And when I found out that he's doing it for rental, I suggested do a 100 because the area is more or less the same, the living area, but the cost is lower, so he can get his money back sooner. A rational decision. If you build it, again, if you build it for yourself, it doesn't have to be so rational. It's just how much can you afford. You can also do it as a combination of own use and rental. You can build a summer house. You're using just 1 month per year, and you can rent it out for the rest of the time. So you get your summer house, and in time you get your money back. Ta-da!